So we're sitting here at the Unity Museum and just received some mail. It looks like, well, it's to the Unity Museum, but celebrating for FIFA. I'm gonna do an unboxing. See what's in here. Feels like paper. Okay. So we have received a thank you letter for participating.
Wow, that's
And
cool.
a survey to see if we want to fill out the survey and give a return envelope. Wow. And here's a copy of our registration form. I guess they kept the original.
That's really a recognition of our activity, part of this huge global soccer FIFA event in Seattle. So go Unity Museum, we were part of that. How cool is that? Now that's a neighborhood outreach we can really feel very happy with.
Yeah, go team.
Go team. Thank you, Kamran.
All
Thank
right,
you.
thanks. Yeah.